Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Karibu sana mwancho murigire asensemo ya gatatu unapotambe iyo murubere iga wetwani ya getembe nekira ando tinga twikira aiga no mugeni weli tukoria rero no chakumurikira muno amangana a technology na boigo abasae bagari abasae ase ubonchoreria nande na kibaranyara kore bintu ao na boigo kusanga evirengerere gusugutwara evirengererie biya erinde kwegendereria ase obugimo boiga ase nchira ayabene kigima Mr. Charles Honorable Charles Mogaka, karibu sana.
Asante sana
Wakiri etaito ya odereri.
Njero Charles Mogaka. Honorable. Kulingana na IBC, once kwa very gazetted, you qualify. So the title becomes automatically. It was automatic. Ekero kwa very gazetted. So na wanyetuire tikura wana nero. Bairo.
Honorable Charles Mogaka nasinze moyende amangana teknolojia amangana yabasae nabo korokana nga kwa rabira asa amangana ega yobonjore nabo ko kusanga nabasae ase myake mengi sana. Ingi okora Charles
nje ndo mwenye biashara nje ngakora biashara biobonchoreria na mono asensemo ya Kisii na Kenya. So basically ngokora mangana a green energy. Yes, and latest technologies. That's ejina chitoko nya gukora. Yes.
Mbemana sana green energy. Umancho murigire na barakomina metema gukora kuri yatebe watebere green energy nererie yiga. Abantu banarire chinguru chestima na ndemba manyitinge alternative neraro green energy yige gendete gusegetwa matuka enereri.
Njira tebe mangana green energy mangana yo gutumika chisola amangana biogas ekyo nakyo kiri among y'ebintu bya kire bya green energy technology na banango teitora abantu baitu there estimate kwenda mara mingi sana teitora abantu baitu bateme koligia solar batumike in their homes oroche gas yaikire egasi umutungi omane yaikire 3300
oko refill
bono baise konya the biogas kutumeke skaya ngombe korosi na bera abakonye ase go reduce the cost bono bogima boma kwanda bochikoba sustainable for the same. Yes.
Mbia mona sana umete technology ega kuna bono yo konchereria oboyo obwe ngombe gocha kobe gas nero bono tugane tinki oranyare kusanga senseme
so fanto bwate once obwate skeria ngombe metungi nero gocha kwa ewa asoko bucha kwa beke kiasi kwa burukania mache kwa nyesieka kada kwa nyesieke automatically yakorosia biogas yakoro wiring yaba but then inside it we have several technologies that have sizes.
Yes.
Mona abantu ba muraba bakose bamutaba mintaba ke young generations that were very old now bago kore bite bagenderali. So in innovation and technology we always say it's about coming up with skills, coming up with a new method of doing things. Enchiro kora ebinte bikoro kibugia. Nere kurukuta.
asenjira
yekerero. Mnabono usikurigere likinyomba abantu bakararire ki building kingiya enyomba montaga kanel 15 ya rusi guhorere tugwate GBNB okogu kwa endose na akuru umuntu agotebi ngotumira ande pin pin kwa igora kwa rusi ko bungu kwa igora kwa menya so technology ngo face
Egendete gonchoreria.
gonchoreria gosirie ebintu ebinge bitakire.
Yes.
Bono se bono igokorera omonto amabire omonto kwagacha hotel. Because abantu abange banchire privacy and all that. In technology achire the way of doing doing the same things the new way. Yes.
Asinjirire ya wango muno na inde njira eringa okigima. Korinde nande nekiro togende tukurigire amangana yaiga technology bono. Wakwanire solar energy. Chisolo metena bo monta korrega lakini abasa euro chenga bachakire empress okweneke buna bamanyire korosia nonya mangana solar kose bamanya buna chiko tumeka na kichikorosiwa.
Asa mangana technology and innovations basically njende chairman ya Young Innovators in Kenya. So PS yo chora tu baide ga koba our friends for inga kintambe sana. Na mono nero yo massive ba to trinity amangana critical thinking. Critical thinking is how you think, you are being taught. You make decisions chingia na ande chire bwangu. But you konyora in most cases say innovations and the research. Kenya as a country ya chire out in ebinte binge bigokoro. But bono technology chinyenge echigokwa because muntu tayo che identify. We began this career of doing research and innovations immediately after high school. We did not have a clear qualification to join universities. And the best innovators,
yes,
in the university, they critically think and they come out with solutions. And in most cases, we co-intensify your thinking and research on lines. Basically, ekero konyoro monta akorire degree kento ke yabwate agara akoreke geni uibono uita kunyara go adopt with life we cover innovative o maya cover fit and sweet as a chiro on what you are doing. Orige libona social innovations nere yokora chianga mna bono tiankole tregento raro mna bono chi dressing chi abaswati. Turkey is the leading fashion and design. Turkey is the leading country in the world, na China as a design. You make sure you meet the market demands.
Yes.
Morocco and I what the dress here yango kirikwa but you designed it. Montra ikransta karengeria kanye mitaiga kabeka iga katebe baf katebe is the best. Those are some of the social innovations. Chia mna bono gusukava swat. Chiraini nini tosare okotena kigende shara yete omoiskolio namanyite munagosuka tali na namanyite yago kama tuitege ntekia kia soya to the market kia reda the income ekine kitokoroka social innovations.
Abasa immense ya Kenya orochenga mpare innovative mbabwati obongo bwigabu wikaransanse omuntu orengereri okama up negintu kirekegeni.
Abasa abange in Kenya they are very innovative. Some but ba directly energy abo to the wrong side. Umontaro mungaini abwate kieni akolete skuru lakini ebintago kora umonto monene kapisa na ne street yale osago you know naligebedi chi content creators ba Kenya nkaligere na content creators ba US. Yes. Nkaligere na content creators when I'm sampling ngokora ndi research butuko sana. Yes. So, ekero koligere limi na bon there is a content creator wagitibu ne balimo. You know, nengi no what followers, but you are feeding the public the wrong information. Ekero wagitibu ne balimo. What is the future for that? Because you man class 2 ekara koligere link yako agocha kumya ko saka mde balimo. Because what the eye looks, we do video my psychology, and we have consume. So Kenya as a country never had a lot of innovations, but we don't have institutions to come up with clear innovations. That's why the PSU to research and innovation with direct energy. Abantu bakuro team, Bamo University must be taxed to come up with a new design. Abantu ba GIT ba welding must come up with a very good design. Ya welding etiri saying yokoli window watanaki I need this design. Yes. Last week boro na kole nyangi mumroyo precinda. A young man nero designed chianga che wedding. But montai got a van class sirenga igete. So ekero koligereria amaso monebi ntabantu ba kora people must be creatively innovative. on their lines of duty on what they are doing. Nande is the only way oranyore more generating. Do you want
tukurigire creative industry asense ya Kenya whatever vuna mangana vuna content creation gose ekero so no online okorera basa ba direct energy yabo gucia say to the wrong direction ningi gikeko vira gose okegetenga ne serikali eraire gose nabasa abaiga bahirire omukondo munga gose bakubwatane bakwegie bintu bitari bia.
I think ekero ngorigiriri ngorigiriri inde sana ninde bwate TikTok nibwate followers 12,000 ndo wana
yes
Facebook nibwate 10,000 ngoiterande ngoiterande Facebook account ya Kenya netera Facebook account chia US chia Turkey ebintu bago post nabona kero kurigiriri nini ebintu bago post wikabi on the line ye professionalism na ndibire bya today but yekero kurigiriri post chia Kenya chinyingi ukuna 20 people wa murdered bantu stamba ngentwa mondo yo bate followers 200 ukurigiriri Europe ba update ba koliyeri kabona taki 3 omo Kenya akolikana ki 3 people killed in a road accident but yo musonga kwanza for recapturing. Are you seeing? Yani kwanza from the best side of the worst side. Ekero update yo mundu.
Ningi ekore the difference here.
The difference is the way they have been taught, the way they have been coming out. Omwana imoka ogole sim, o download WhatsApp, o download TikTok. Ogenda gotenga street. Obe kana ligera abantu barabina gotenga. At the end of the day, ono gotenga kwaba na kuko sindana. Na royo ndoko beka cyanga cyawa subati kurubagere ogotenga no mukungu. At the end of the day, what message are you collect out in the table? Watengire wakolire. So on this creative content and the creative art must be productive to grow for the growth of the economy, for the growth here. Abantu abago what information are you kwa your viewers?
Your audience.
Yes, your audience. Again, that's why in Kenya the social media tira tumeka munega niri go tumeka
na kibono angane yera nyare go change kwa ikiagera ekero sekero nkonya uri kuri gati abasai nchira ki okonyara kusangana barabwirinde ekero umuntu akoso ase umutandao bwekijami ebintu biri akobeka content iri ago feed abantu ebe egento kirabasa gokonya
egento gitangani kikaniri go korumune country kuhika machikaeti yes because saye egento kebe to update lere TV ego piki kuruo getembe go piki information eri ane nere bone kobe I remember na bone eri nyomba yagwa inje no nale ngachikurikana the operation ongoing nkanyara kere TV paka ichon speech kabeka so piki ego to kutumeke tegoro ko AI amonto AI egera kwanye feed ego korigeri egento gerelete dia koletera bono ngoro tolichi hashtag. Yes, hashtag kwa beka wano gocha kwa Google hashtag na ki something must happen. Wano monto lilianye bekiri wantu aruro iya ale kutumika 10 years ago. Wana tole AI na kero go feed ya collector monto lika story chance. That's goche obotuki bwachira na talebo. Bwe serikali. Lero pake sound nko very feel that ya manyuna nki wa kwa randa ngai kwa lenge. Yes.
Ekero kwanira AI yen technology abasae nene muno kora sense ya Kenya no nye bunda bono tuikara stega abasae bangi bamanyite gutumika AI lakini inchira kibono baranyare gutumika technology yiga erinde gwekonya kose gukonya no nye guturia no nye nse ya Kenya kire bite binge
bono manyite madita kwa mboldi boli elio nana kibaranyare gukonya gotrain abantu abake mono be generation yi egedege tangani goikobo muntu bwikanyite umuntu gogotebyo bobisigete goikabwe kanyake nonye no muntu gokuboria asago kya sasirire goikara ari na kinda mboli orangena ko kinga Yesu abana abo nyembari kigwekanya we said in Kenya we are going to have an employment crisis in the next 15 years. University Kenya is 76. Na kile university bwate ake sabu na kile university bwate wanafunzi more than 1000. Kisi university aroni bwate 7000. KU bwate 7. Abuna abantu baje kuba produced baje to the global market.
Wagotumia AI.
mbona aya bagutumeka gusoma abange monto copy or paste but again muna copy ya paste tari kolani ekero ka ko live interview odo kana akorete whatever you have copied you have gotten first class but you can't reach more and mid raised and the rest we kabagani komanya. I remember after my high school nkanda koliye kibarua ekigyo ko bugoli chisimiti nini, that's where I ran lessons. Bono tukagenda ba Chinese ba Japanese, that was 207 naliba kwa gachenya kitali area ya Kiss Teaching and Farost nali alikuwa gachi 207 207 208 bono tukacha tutaketeka asiyo koboko. Do you know what that Japanese matter that we don't want your certificate ndoto get certificate chena na anchoma ete pamura bakarumo iba koleta
masakara tari ko konye
bagacha na yuna matrita ma qualified journalist SCV gete tingire keno noku ochikulire umuntu ali kini uligirie makarataza bano gwateba twende kasi kwa Chinese bali bagasoe sto bakanguza chiovaro karabanguza chiovaro bagatoa karabatoa bono bagateba yenkyo korta matrita njene electrical wewe nte chi kebo debito binde usio morori ali nyobeke moyo ayenkyo le pramba ansa ayeninki sene welder ansa ko sambere chiango gete chiricho ko sambe chiango chiri chinko nguga aba muroma te ba bekirete bakasuka mayaga bakabona bali bago enda uchecho bakali ulitukuli magakoraki bakabura. So any young person obwata passion yo kolege ntukelie ara anyare ke mokonyi kiliura bolguli bolio anse gekole tiago te no mukutano anse go introduce nam Dr. Madirta what doctor surgeon what that embarrassment will still continue because at the end of the day oichekuligereria abantu abange bali kire in many professionalism ekere ekere to work delivery. Because I was talking with one of the bankers, you must on akanteke mheshimiwa Mbiole umaitentuali sebete wanafunzi wa attachment kwa boli ya one of the bank out I don't want to mention no maitena moisuko tari mbali kunyara karosi try balance mbali kunyara comment figures bona basiki bali okunyara bali account mutuali bali banyota maths around B+ C-, bali bando abanya kuigurira ji account bali na barabu there on different levels of but you understand what I'm trying to tell you now. Professionalism as a work delivery quoted make productive one go ikakwata ebu ayenko sikio kwate na njega siane ne yobogendi bwegali ira ni kira gitamage wata na kira gitatinyegereti. That is exactly what we are going to get. So we are losing focus as a country on yentori ngara okorake. That's why school Vice Chancellor at Kiss University, Mheshimiwa Professor Gage, is doing it all his best. Kwarain abana babasome on what they want. That's why Rojago streamer in the university to meet the standard that is needed to wadali. Abana babe produced ba onigutu Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia. You can be a BBC journalist. You know Rally Madowa. Rally Madowa was just got a D+. He went to Daystar. The first interview Rally Madowa did with me, it was the Next Big Thing show. That was 2012. Ekana nyoteri baka diogo ikaransa na Manu Chandali, Chris Kirubi, Fimari Shah. As the Next Big Thing show.
Nekero tu kwa na University ya Sense ya Kenya ko se tu chirigere chonsi ntobwate na bono TVET institutions chicha so kirebono na chichiko so kia borokyo ba go to make skills chiri banyaro ko so make rasime baraboko nyoranga practicals ya barebia. Okagerete ngasa mutukare bose ochi university nchiriko chikoba chikotigara magega
njeda tebe omonene bwense anjete TVET because enjo manyana na somete TVET I did water engineering.
Yes.
Later I did socio entrepreneurs, that's socio innovations. Our duty even to basically want to wika to akorankelina okumanya. When is the crisis and when we kionye wasome the commerce from 3 demand and supply. We komanya na bono ono mutinyo bale.
Omutinyo kanoko era lero.
Yes, university ngo sachire. September fachire rusa.
Bono bachire rusa.
Bono to ikobeka yoski ase university era. Bono okoi. Bono ebina bio. That's what we call the bono abutobwa adverse. So toriko so abio mbetori so abo adiri baba.
Demand yerese.
So innovation is again no matter na bono ebitumango samurubiri goikanga chebituma for 2 months ikoreki sai ebitube bire egendo kere mwaranste bateba rero irenga kinyanya chire daraja irenga chire ebina bye bintu basically bigutwara kibesa. Yes.
Bono TVET ekero toko chimorekera chirocho aba iga babire produce product bali bakorwa as a TVET institution ekero kubarigire na mangana innovation are they more innovative ko babaria aboroki waba iga babire bagosoma at university ko sebachirire chidigiri bachire banyorire babikire chugutwa lakini ekero babwika iska kanyore ground ekero tofauti asa mangana innovation
njeda tebe abantu ba TVET wana ngwikasa bale umaite obogima abantu babekire mboro bangere koria raisina noboko moso generere abamura abantu ababake umumura iboire arengere tina ebinte bitata bwate nebiane kumbe ebinte bitata mwaba bwate nebieroni usimo isuko mwabe karo byabaganiri kwanya na sino botene ngumbu akarde
mbalengo. Yes,
egali ne yeroni umusojena abana moiboire 7 naligere documentary ya Janet Magafuli is moisiko enaro kanali watch bugocha muna isa kwete muna bakagerete ibinte bire binge bikaro byaba gubigake so generation yeye ya ni aje mase jolea ni aje mati tuko zizi ndio tuko base ngoi kabale bono enjare bali abana bagwabo li ba TVET they will be more productive because TVET teri kwa emphasize on no eteto stoetet kwanya ku no ya chete je itia akwa madam kwanya ko ke yes so ranking ya Kis Polytechnic Kisumu Polytechnic tianya ko come out ngwanya ko Monte Street ote uno ya so mete Polytechnic taiteti it is simple. When we were in the class of water we were 35 students. We had maths, technical drawing. Abana funsi 20. Baetu chirisit. But you might imagine koiro. But imbayo. Abangene chikali bako idea. Why? You got the skill.
Yes.
Ekara kwa nyole skill. Muntu tadi kutoiko anda muntu ekara kwa anda koligie gasi unoriga. Oche koligie gasi mwane. Ekero ro muntu otekeniko ngo koboli amacha tarigo so ebaf no nyari kunya eti gokore nkiota gete ndore chipae pu isato ne
kwamwe
na acha lita na mugura namwa ogenda obunga on time ngasiringa 1200 namatebie na igor ahmbier aneli kanikole no nyari kunyigorregia box yonjenjeri kiangire getire gari yaroso
masakaras de yago
aseta yo monda ko saba your papers but university ekero ko enda for anything oikobori gutange bisakara bia monto ligere that makes the difference. So people nyambali kwa critical thinkers there will be a lot of problem in the near future. Yes.
Abasa bono ngo chikoba obose mi oboganga mbabwene tugotumeka na nyesi milio montavate yakoboko emitandao yiga access erinde kobeka kwebeka sagia ekiagera bono kiro muntu ngo access yare amangana technology social media kiro muntu ngo ikerare naboko nyora information nere rakonyo muntu nera roba go access kwanyora nere gusali nero koba komislead abasai bono musai uri orenka gusuri ko tegerete chinga kichiga naki oranyare kumusegeta atumeke chinjira Jones tiri abate anyale wekinia
njera tebe gisemina na chiete inye mpaka ina chiete because there's a time I was narangere tuko Tanzania after na give it a talk at the School of Business in Makerere University about innovation and research kera na ko rom Nigeria orengo akampik akantebi we shall have ndoji tutuare egendo muneke iga Tanzania no make coming August kama they have no problem akanga contact ngaganda baka baraza la maaskofu Tanzania Magufuli agate bridge I gave a talk and I go back to the social media ne wate Google ebi domre ngoko Google kugani komanya
aseli tuko because
yes you must Google na ki latest technology correct we go Google latest method of for nini muna bono chisimi chajiri jibade ai wake bicha edit magika yani we go updated on bono esimiyeye eyebwate ki social media ire ngoma ime isana
Chi platform
isana okumira abantu ndobate Facebook ndobate Facebook ndobate TikTok ndobate WhatsApp ndobate Instagram ndobate Twitter ekine kikiri commonly kiri bon ekine kikira bono ndobate kine kiko cha Netflix kiri nene bono kiri ogwakanira kwa magoso on those sites as ki site ejisano as a TikTok yao account igurali asinaro ko Google whatever ndete ko watch Getembe TV live ya leta Getembe TV bono in the same social media account okande gurali kwa Google job opportunities visa in US kwa hashtag ngokoleterere basubati barali bakoeresa how you want to plan to go to New York, how you want to advance your skill for innovations ngokoleterere as TikTok. Bono young people mbara abatoti on those umuntu akogenda ko Google ndete korra kote ndete korra legendo
Dr. Freddy Matiang'i ndete korra igoronga yari
ndete korra nga yari nge ngaitata ali nge kwaya we have become slavery of Christianity. Bono we are deeply in slaves. Amatero nyae some hours tegerera kura gendeki bono muntu as TikTok account ya yo bwatege ebintare ko watch ni bintu biri bitali bitabwa di productive kwarale nto
content yo konyara abantu bako consume okonyara nganyenge Nigeria entertainment anamona sabasai kurinde nekero tokuri ya sensemo yabasubati abake bagokena abasubati abake barabasai chinga kichiga ekero go social media to gweto mete se post isa totaranya wara mwese komo kega obegete nonya bicha yayo korete ibintu bya yase emitandao abasubati barabungo embrace bare technology gakoba innovative
abasubati babwate good energy in the social media but he faced the wrong direction. Yani onyendiri enjirire bakobeka kibicha kiri babeke byasara byabo. I always tell young people beke byasara byabo osibye friend osibye mamomi teba na mabere nko ni fresh taracha beke magi ne price someone yago pike gendukeri okebeka status kwa kenyora kwa mwoli ninyora mabere kiri taire teba njene Sharon teba Anthony studio ngokora tole this ngokora tole advert bono energy eli yaba subati is very good. But bono kane baonjoruga ba face where the opportunities are.
Na ekiro tukuri magana una solar energy twarigiriria abuna bono mangana yestima abasubati barabo bahachakire oroche mbare ready mbare tayare kigima wese igoro yevinteviga
oreta yo tali ready again tekenene mbate ti face ebindevi to face the reality. Actually nanyo to musical yo mo college electrical engineering from Kispoli olenge tadia nkamutevi ngiota gocha ngobundi 70 bibia gukora this research and innovations wakaro so ekere ya ikire to that extent nkarota bwa interest alengere tibiri yagosomi go orusie waya obeka wiko o diversify your latest technology muna about buildings we are going to green energy lere dirisha irenene tania sokobeka matobol because technology iyo ko green energy buildings kinyomba chingeje Nairobi tiko nyomba chibate birora kuruguru baka
yes
eyibonere kuruguru latest
onye bosongo njiro lero
bona bosongo nchiyo bosongo baraika bagate batuba kabisa na matobol na bayibimbacha we ntobwa divinte bayibimbali ko cha system chibekire asobegete solar backup ukabeka CCTV ukabeka alarm ukabeka electrical bell ukabeka electrical fence someone cannot access it is an event and so technology it must have to come but the way it will be consumed nere go chikoba wrongly nini ego chiko tume kubobe in terms of what ase bali bakonye consume ndo wana na wa chiguru cha WhatsApp okoboka mami kwanya tato mino mama mino na kasi ni yao mukoyo muri the same group omuntu magocho omuntu tindete obekege nteke bo ase group
yes
go kwenda gali na yora admin kwa mama mino karale tato mino karale obeke mangana echinson in those groups so young people are misusing the group WhatsApp. That's why once a group ya college mission egana go pull down And in most cases, when you see the group does not have the anesthetic, why moko be group ya mutu ya mala? Nkebwa.
Chigurupu njiraro na nitiro chintiganiri nkonyorore nganonye family gusineganeti gukwanira bintu gete isigincho bantu bari busy kwanyora ngo WhatsApp kero kene nigeko ba rahisi lakini rende afosubati omete kuroma tukamagea kwari konyoranga amangana yaiga technology okonyoranga nchiranire bako ba soft gose bako okonyore bicheri nga basubati batakiri kokora ebintu ebiko technology ngororore nga kero kinde andake ase amangana innovation okonyora umwana boy child natanga inake nike basubati barabara nyare kusegeto na barabara ikenga konyora gose ekero twanyore new technology aiga sense ya Kenya gusoro kongorwa gusi obo basubati na obare omustari obusi
okoroganyi tabasubati sana but it's okay
technology abasubati ngoche barabati kana ngana innovation
abo ngoko igorande oli eli mitandao abasubati ndabudamba kwane se mitandao patiba face it wrong direction
bono na kieki
bono bagana iri banyoro omonto okoba geusa barole direction yebinde byebirebia bono rocho omonto n'abasadi bano konyora omusubati abwate there is this musubati nara o Facebook okoro kwa makofa bwate followers abange sana ngo mu foronde nara ebintu akubeka erebona agwa akubeka ebintu bya tour guide akugenda Zambia oleta picture ogenda South Africa obeka bona abantu bali tumaita mangana innovation ngo mu foro tole to amanya update naki ingie kiyakora ki abekoro yes but bona abanga basubati 80% ebate beti ku social media nokotenga abange netansie to igora akora abantu bakomieli vacancy is okay komieli but ogochutia sinini ogochutia ke gotari ogotenga kerensa so most cases beke biashara kwane tokira konye so that ekero gutwara followers have encouragement in terms of growth but rende positively abasubati abanga the social media what they can only reduce is about their content yes the content yabe focus mina kwa igoraiga matirita kwanya rabegete bintebia nini bas yes
mbuya mono sana nande ekero no mweshimiwa ekero tukurire nsemo yoborai nchira kia barai baranyare kwene kia buna banyare ko sira abantu bonsi ko se technology sense ya Kenya
na boli chikura jugo jumbe bonchari twice around four times
yes
kero kobekira nimiro byo za boli byale bere 7 because da boli bako speak we county nanyora obo gimobo we kobe passion we kobo teme antiri buko banyene boko go ikobo gimobo gokole gosobo bokole better lives and better ebintebi ebiri mutu yawo no nyori rino ne bible yeso iyare ngokonya abantu oli barenga on the streets oso monto joru report ya CSR na moshiko mito na karuarite ochiko mokonya so otoeka na sore muntu tayo manyete to kunyara go change your dynamics nje na boli chikura na ndende abarayi barobistika basiku baye uri bakabakore gase kero bakorire gase keyo chikoyika go chimotu na liturabe to kuba question ngora go kandi sana ikira abantu no bakubike bintu babu mushimiwa soro mushimiwa women la pumo ngina donya the way donya they put things that teatura akora biribiro obona ndo igwana in goikamambi is when we can decide what is not there inche na decide on my manifesto in 2017 inche na tebete why can't we have village internet it was on my manifesto after all of this it has been implemented because Kenya kwanza picked it by implement inje na ligete inki chichiro itagotwara internet year free wakana 5000 inki CDF hospital yotwara internet aba young people baganda ba download the document osbat ban inki abangana batayiko twara WhatsApp bakira abana ba video ko when the technology has come we must embrace it so inje na ligete ibintu biri ngalika nejiboli gataba abantu banyora macho ko those were all my ideas but since some of us we are innovators and social innovators our ideas will never end we shall be there to help the society
ekero tukurige gati yaba jumbe bali tubwata sense ya Kenya uruche samangana technology go say innovation imbitambukiro kibanyare ko mukigose egati emiswade iri banyare ko irabosyo we bungira konye neraro rira basa go sira basaimo
origererie serikali ene yo Mheshimiwa William Ruto last government na chorete APS gotina mangana research and innovation Professor Abdrazak Omwarabu olenge siyo ya na cost ine njira ya moyo ku make advancement twara ine binte bia social media no which ko bagale do wana whereby we are going to have a meeting na abantu ba content creators but ugende ko creating ya konye society nga kiora beke ongego tega have naked dia sa bible ba in TikTok where your parents sa bible ba tete ko so TikTok you might as we speak 80% of parents are on their way korang kirema we kia bana ba koligiri so for them they are just come because I got my friend auntie ai agakira mumroyu akamotebi nteto mbeke ngina akamwakira akamotebi nteto chombeke egento kuri muri school mintaro ngina ale 65 yani arabe ku TikTok because muri school mwabo motebi nindo bona yes the social media kero monte na tete gocho pati it must be controlled by the state which the government has already done what has already done it
ba control enough Kiagera rero abana bago so online ebintu bakonyora
no mbagendrete naro che yesterday bago debate about social media control rules bad debate na mangana chi TV chi content bako
kero to on that note amangana betting it comes with a technology amangana yobo chese emechezo nere mengere online ono nero yokorosi chivesa timanyanga abasa baigekiro bagende tukurigia chinjira cyo wekinia gose koyenyorera no nyenibo betting na gochiesa chindege negati yebintu biri birabasa gokonya
onye the best way yo tigege ndo no okimanya ndo wana but yo mondabe obeto okimanya madirita sokugitika ndo wana
igonye na vieta
goikora abagendo goikoge ndo teme origerite modalities then from there bono mayotiga that's why abana ba matachiri bakumbura amaruba bwita amaruba ndagira the different ya amaruba ndagira baruba matino gotinana but ne ndagira bakande zigwe wansa that's why konyora bange bakonyu bono barabu bakonyu tali bakonyu amaruba because batinde e bakonyu because ya wansa nande barochi is part of life pale konya gokaniwa bono gotiga omuntu otemkwa makubira that's why oskol no yesu
addiction yaro kwanye tigara
ngochana bunko yes atigete pita katara mache ko ragaso akamusi agacha kuamine ke indoje na bongo milimeli
igo bono omontate mavieta endegerai era
yes tiga magenda vieta baliye kuchibesa vieta bado
lakini abande bado na baliye kunande bade kera bachinyore no bakwirana
ibone rongo ka social media addiction
yes
avieto kwenye Twitter na WhatsApp na Facebook omonto ikaransa okoroseri chikodi chiasero na maniu ayegwacha kwabeka na maniu kichwa maniu ke wonjo chini was unake those were guys who got first class from Harvard they developed those softwares mbako kora bintu bako lose on innovations I always tell people na ki ayegwabo kama kwanga go bet chitimu bananto barare 3 hours to come up ne software look about the social medias as anoni abantu bayiro mupira to be personal umupira isa a social activity
mbono munugo kwana igo mbale bako chako ke take personal ora basa gukorwa
personal na ase abantu banji to mupira ina addiction
yes
agaro wa ikere that level 1 kirabwe kitoki manyitike kalengirande but umuntu otari nganji ege ntoko watch kwa mata nganji ti ani mupira yani nganji you are not a footballer you wake up in the morning kwa watch mupira edru mupira oli ningira ndio designeri korusia abante birengerere whether Arsenal wins Newcastle wins it's to remove their stress but wana bagusi gosaba Kenya bakoira mupira tubi ikintu kiabo
ya amashabiki naro yetimu gete oise ko bakunera
in social media
oranyore yare tiro muchano
bona bandaba bakaniri ko kora counseling bakaniri korangeligu bakora counseling for yes how many young people bengentire igoro y'umupira
bakwanere
aba muratika gwekora igoro y'umupira tosata na vieta de sebono umupira uri press ya vieta muntu beka chivesi ya nenda go chigo aba muntu bali ba bantu bali ko bali yana ni chivesi ase gambling no konyora bali mai last time I was inganji tekora watch content creation cha India yeah India comedy cha India nchibuate a lot of content
Yes.
muna bone gento keri so ye naki no monta abutogeto mutu ngwa ajire so kwa yu
Yes.
unona na mubutu bila kichu kogoso kumbe ne ngoro bale mete bakaveko montonse bona okoru komi kwaseli kutote bio ndenge ndoka diki the same way in India ebintu binapata potea nambari ya pesa ndio hii omonto nalense bakorerie kadi eri kwarana niga kwa mwatumba chibesa kanie liria guchanganya chikadiga ayere liyo omonto narokoba omoretererie no bona yorojire ki ndio hii so yes bona vieta na bere igo someone must be somewhere okomonta once na kwabeka chibesa nyingi omonto nare specifically okomonta agokora chibesa icho to kubeka 100,000 omonto akwaro ketu kutomonta yu asa mangana social media so ntubina abantu abake we can be very very innovative we can be very calculative nothing comes for free to kuboka mambi obeke chibesa mpesa ochira vieta ayori omonto that's business yes
bona aikekire tukwana business biashara kiyo muntu aranyara gukora gutumika technology kuse online igatie bintu biri uranyara nga biashara mbiro muntu arabasa gukora birabasa gukonya
in most cases ngote ebinda abantu abake sana ekarongo kwanira mangana technology ingiye koro kobuka chibiche isano status yao ngiye kubegera mvaliki okay chiaro 24 figures ba code nkikwanyora
nabo kubeka chibiche lakini ekoro ekobwati bicha kikwabeka
chia obori ole studio akire because rero abantu bakobori chianga bagenda chi street ngakendeiga kwabekire chibiche isano status chiabere field chiaelire nonye ni sari tori kolika kende you don't even like it omate the guy who innovated the WhatsApp was an Israeli guy yeah beg it sure na ki engineer ko achire email ko download ya bega sakatana ki ndacha na WhatsApp ndo kwa kesi na WhatsApp no muntu ndo mene document because a document ya WhatsApp iko cha bwango tani document email to chikote ndio ko muntu de kituma kwa WhatsApp number ama tuma kwa email
ande mail ngoichore
yes email ngoichore bona WhatsApp ko tuma kwa koraki that's where the world is going bona harden ko no igwete mangana ibina kwa so as a status chibijere ngokobeka maximum
inche
yani irenge WhatsApp kubeka baka
njena kubeka wetani sato
lakini irenge chika nilikobeka why did WhatsApp around chibija chibeku ange this around what
tena kubeka limit
ne bwate limit
Ndio sinafika vinto vi.
Enge kero gotoma chibicha ugo ntomera chibicha. Enjiri goitani ya 35. Echichire enough to communicate and share. That's why mumrori ya limited. Status the same. Wana kwanya romo ndako boka. Status yeli.
Obeka baka maximum.
Yes. Weka baka maximum. But it's the same picture.
Ndia sara kievi gabono mutaba ntego kora. Kusiga tie bintu biri buna bona kero wate social media. Ebintu mbire vingi muntara nyara utatigo bonchore buna bona munta post items chae online.
Bono kwa manyire.
Ega tie bintu binde mbirevi.
Togo post na ni TV ya gatembe. Yes. Ogo ikagali mwaro sie posting ya. Ase grupu ebwata abantu 1000. Mbaru seti grupu ya 250. Wakaje ki 1000 reasons. Chi meeting ichi chiko WhatsApp. Mokorangiro mwakoro. There is nothing muna moru amanda na antwage tebe mogo che group mwakore meeting mwakoro go saba yaera. To reduce contact. So oise kurigereria Nairobi. Nairobi is moving very fast. Nairobi yakaenda bwango sana mai. Okuboka mambi. Kwagende duka. Nabone duka ya Jumbo Maatali. Moidioli. Bwate tanovo ya. Na bwate bindako ne mabati ni. No komatebi irenge D16 yakono. Komatente tenko ligeli client. Kwabeka status chichuma na mabati. Wate na iskali. Uso kwa details kwabeka. Umuntu otebi nteto ndropeli ya mabati. Ayaika. Komatete drop you pay cash. Umuntu otende nyamataro. Ote muiwe wala na mabati yokoni omati ya ni friend yakoni na nyanyi bekiri. Umuntu na kuro fiu. Ote ibono ndetere. Is the best way There is no employment. Yani, there is no way or antenna there is no employment. Kokorua oche cream launch. Mogambe no manyani you start advertising. There's a radio also I'm following called Linganga who is Okoleta out hotels. And Navagote I was in Ethiopia and Agra Ethiopia Rengega. This is the contact in the case.
Yes.
By querying. One in the social media. Enchereya muna bone bite binge toko gore binde teriza Gigi binte bingo mondoko anda kwa gugu kwa gura
kwa binyoronlo
because of trust como te binde tere como kra te binde tere wakana Pierre Nairobi abe kwena coach kwa jana received pay because yama te binta kwa ni quality. Why a young person needs money to start business when you have the skill at your hands.
What is it?
The Bible says God bless the work of my hand. That praise the work of nini hands ama wakare go sinigo yes
na boy gamangana buna online writing ina kibono ekira utokurigire abantu bari bagutumika emitandao gete korosia chibesa ina ki baranyare kwene kibuna banyare goikira very legit
as emitandao
social media yonse ekira ukurigereria chi platform ne chinyinge ekosenchira nere chinyingo montaranyare korosia chibesa mete egase amangana yogo sibigwa na arongo chiaracha wosho na kibono umuntu akonyara kumenya kusebu no musaye na kyakonyara ko isolate ebiasara bya oboene na koige byo bolimo okoso Facebook kwanyara umuntu aposteti enkoni yale ebintu gete lakini kwanyara singe njo umuntu labda tabwati obumanyi kwanyara osibigo
njira tebe osibigo
kuosho rero nalirigo tumeka
osibigo
osho akanete yes
agete njira tebe ire chinga kya ogo feel fine nande kero ko biasara bi online dia koro la kana desperate oyo moina ko banya tobwat kin no era nji turari kwaro de montebi you are capable until you prove the point. Wana nchireria abantu bakabagwanse biasara batinimeanza saa hii nitumie kitu yoyote baje bago study. So to verify everything to be fake is so simple. One, anya koroje biasara ibere legit, go there and see. Then you start doing it online. Do you want to? Abantu abake you go and see. Kwani ekero mondaka ote nimba te duka Nairobi ekonia osene jiwarali. Ngio ta ko ronya. Because one of the social media is to link you. Not to link you to the abantu tamite, but this no go link to the lightful people. Valimora akona baru biasara. Onye ko arfiri na simietereji ngio ta ojere duka. The reason why nabeka status is to fail to have details and verify again.
Okumanyankero. Igo gasio ko confirm ne yorio taketobo kon.
Yes.
Mbia mona sana turagenda asio mutimo kumoke wechitake kaibere elinde toira ne tunyare ko gendera.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege Etwani yabugire
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buyakigima na kobwamone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusiasa atambe twaberire gaiga segeke tambe korwa mwako 2018 mogusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora akobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari ito ya nuga pesi elinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilitaria ana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na roche ga kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2022 oburoiro buna akire ko nyagetari na iru nyagetari baka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura toke nganari no burire buno bwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaige senya gitari anu ga besti elinde mo konje muno anjwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchole bigoti nyibwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta Kongoro kwa Esther Nyarik ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwa se enyagitari ya Nuga Best nogo tonyora asama gacho Ouru Towers second floor Pirongo piakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara korigia enibo Nuga Best nige gotoka asama gacho Ouru Towers. Ouru Towers ye building yege sinyaine Mteira. Igotore Kenya Women igoro Pirongo lya kabere. Egento ndahakikishere omogusi yo minto. Nuga Best nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisimi gwitira chinamba cyabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kogwenya.
Your life.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere
Ndio mwancho murigire nekera bono turigetie gucha gukora chitagika chinke kigimachire bosio nekera tugendete kurigiriria abasae na boigo technology hosena kibaranya gutumeka chimbino chekerero kwene kiabu na banyarire wiki na anaftal obuoge agotebanga na bwate ribori gaiga ekera gotebanga chiskuru nchiraro nga there are some of the courses which are offered in most private colleges and TVETs when the clients go for respective licensing and regulatory bodies, you find out that the school you trained isn't authorized to offer the course you've trained, hence unrecognized by the council in charge. What's your thought on this challenge and how can it be solved? Niga kobole nga chiskuru nchire ororo konyora nga nemono chitivet use college umete echi abanyene nchiraro chinyinge kwanyora nge course nere bakoire kuse kwachira wakorire kozi yawo sine myaka ebere usene tutu wakorire kwa hiyo certificate lakini kiroko chikogenda konyore license bete bakobe license onye ne biashara gete ibintu getosomerete o manya guchaka ukore mirimo kwa manya gotabunge school eyu teri registered gukora kuse teri allowed kwa ina na obosemio kwa ina na skills echiga ose training
okay biamono jena tabe kinkoko nkobakide so bono otara so skuru yu kora research ya isaini skuru jiro chinyinge otara so skuru ya wasoma tema ko robotuki anso ko robotuki wa goja
kwara bora
boli ke na kimumanya tinyana good so tema ko robotuki obolo bwa maana sana ekara kwa korire at the end of the day want to kuangaika muno yo kuangaika but I'm very unfortunate pole sana my brother my sister
neli boli abwate to kumanya igo okerorande
but bono kare ikirigo okorobo tukibwao weibe bono kire wakorobo tukibwao weibe moro bwago konya kwamanya skuru bono nchekira open iri non Kiss National Polytechnic nechinge chigocha kiri echi ndobate ebigwango byo kora license TVET but the certificate, diploma and all that. So mna wana ndo the college ko ku Fort End Institute.
Lakini nga kozi gitengo na nwere kwata bunga njwae
to ko chinyinge serikali ko acha 3 months.
Yes.
Computer applications ichikire basic chinguswake. Yes.
Mbuya mono sana nekira bono togende tukurigire technology turi gutiga magiga mangana bono cyber crimes ona bantu babira bangaini bachakire gutumike mitandao au iko kwanyaranga niga ko hack system kwanyoro ikerire access information ya muntu bachaka chisegi online usechisegi omuntu agukurwani utamumanyeti
as technology into what cyberbullying but injego te awasan mane in mostly you try to avoid you try to avoid it as much as possible. You know I was nimbo to my professor musani ono yo
nekyo ko igino cyber crimes ko cyber
anya nkira go ikerega ogo tuliko respond
nje kyo muntu abonete gwetanga
mangana ali umusike jaranga kwandite ali tindo chwa yaba kusiba ko chacha as much as which umate misinterpretation ya mangana
ere igoro mono social media
na ndo bono bantu bakwani ba propeli egento ekebeta kartiki bono the way ora interpreting to carry your always correct until umuntu ochire the way ora interpret ya kosira bagota no man oyo nda proof oboli p oyo nda proof o man p so again they can know you just we domine bike you madirita bio ko igno o ligeriga you assume
na bande ko iberu vale okonyora omuntu tamanyite tari awe atari ngaira azimo omuntu abe active okonyora omuntu soire o access nonye information yawo email kwanyora na bagoswa no bank account oru sivesa
abantu ko iberu vale mangana technology advanced ibonera the other side the worst side of it we can keep your password collect your email collect and your mobile phone safe. Ki document ne chinyingo konyoro bwate mari abantu ko so abale backend ba hack baiba kera baibire at the end of the day ogoja kwasinyu bono na kioko so we can keep your secrets asamangana ye password yao nande filter the content ogo post as per your age but the miaka ya omne ko genda chikote tichiro go drop and chire statement de rally at your age ever seriously discussed
nekero tokorigereria kwanyoranga technology kwanyora abantu ba advanced mono oyo tari konyara commit kusiku ikera status chiri cha abantu bande kwanyora pressure ya chiri pressure go chana technology ose technological advancement kwanyora pressure nyingi omuntu agotevanga nchitimbo ati simingi yanda nyare go swa online nkorereke iganeke nchitimbo ati gento kete kusinjiti nanyara gutumeka AI nyikiranie biga ebina bibichande tabasaya pressure ichire bono gabasaya bango konyora omuntu okera onye simya eteri gokora bune yanyagete kumucha akochandeka
abantu abake tiabarani no tutubyo ba ambitious abantu abake tigabe egeri no tutubyo ba ambitious bono iga oboruire bogenda toko research n'abantu bagukumutu ko bati umutu kwati omuntu it is because one abantu abaro ambitious two obale more as ko watch na kubeko burabu obonga asesi obutaka neiri unless kumate oburabu boli mnogo tiri we go to respects also ko watch through something so that's why yoli ko tirimbo ko so watiri na ke ko burabu bwabegetu asogo ogo dictate de gechara bono abantu abange because ntu atinde ka banange 4 motu obate tibaga 4 so bono mna abatogora kora research ekerole miaka gete naboko abatinki motu ate komoki wati komoki natara it is because you overthink and become ambitious so abantu abaka bale technology research and innovation tigaba abantu bekanyete batwara time cyabo kiriba koregendo and bakora egera bakora at the end of the day they can be positive lakini how can you be 3 days utari kora mobile needs to last you need to relax you need to have amacho you need to relax kabisa obeke simi chao so that okay unge kikyo mobile na ga control yesi batari yesi ya control yo mobile do you want
Yes.
Yes.
Mbia mono sana nekero ndaga ni wira onyare gukwanira ebintu bike igoro ya ebiasara biri okora kero kende igoro ya solar energy njura nyale komentera rekero to cha gukora
Bia mono nchenda tebe ebiasara bia green energy ne biyabire and they are the latest na ibire the latest then ebintu ebi na bibigo konya abamutabake bakoro bonchoreri ebiasara ngo chenjibire diversifications dera na bawo korebi mambio korebi ekanole miaka gete when you obwate miaka biro 35 again don't care Alibaba begeterimo when you are this age you try as many times and you fail you try until you succeed so enjena tebe biasara bia green energy abantu babimbles kistima tieko enda abantu abakaba bono mwali kiru mubekira bayibuli bayinda
Estimero te gotiga kogenda maite Estimero ba kogenda
mubekira bayibuli bayinda estima
yes
mubekira mangana sola mubekira biogas mubekira CCTV abuno inseko enda te kogenda Kenya is going to be a estate like US yiga sa family so ebinte bie mune biono bia sola tobeka tabegete some schools njenda te yato be in place
no bwateka ti abasaye bali ogosira ose origete asensemeyo
yes nimbwata abasaye ndigetoro there are around 8 na ne tobwata abande ekato ekire site inkwaya tore bandero kos bakolegas na brobanyo yes
do you share your skills goso ko gacheranga okoigimerio konyoro taretenga position yeye tinde gitigo sanga nonde banyare konkera gose banyare kongetani sinchaba sai balero the moment ba ukomoro the way abange bago pick nande baka bakora beyond better no expectations
enko very rare sana abantu bange bari gotaka share their skills
yes abantu nkoigimerio
technology transfer technology injire kwa landiri monasa presentation chitarenge school experience
yes
what I feel even they have been given for free Professor Ukati always say any knowledge that cannot be transformed to be practical is zero no aereza munoto tukwa gache nyombe onye te kwa gache una wa kwana te zero any theory etariko maji with practical is zero yade tene gasiti osegente ke butoruli sakalemna ndeteli butoru bona nyendi gasoka this way eyisiro so whichever skill yora twale asobo mabwao njere ndiyo nsi ora firi oro mungaini njere ndiyo nsi ora firi omanyitege ndeke onye turabudi sonde over the same eyunziro
ego bakosange na
bakosango bungaini bwao
abasairinde baravungo tema bali kubaikera kubulia kosigo tema kobera nabantu bamanyeteri
that's why now tebi abasawe kaba biberambo nonye bagose let practice themselves bekanye kare bekanye na matilda these things we just get it yes
Mbia mona sana timanyago sinko bwatonde kwaringe gosogeria kirato gocha gukora umurobere chinsa cyabono mambi
anko bakwani abantu bonse babonchari bali gereti
chinjo bunchiro
enchiroro kwande abanchari bali bonse babonchari andonse asmore bali moko watch getebe please watch kabisa Kiss County bali mande bonse asmonte gerete watch na ande to gendre kola to murobelio technology na kisasa watch gocha gaiga kwaba goko watch ntochikorigereria ufumbuzi ntochikorigereria abana ne talent iri babwate ase binyoro talent ase binyoro ntochikirigereria then nene ngokwania my mother my wife ndonse asibategerete bonse na batangasaji bonse abaya bagototera news baberikia buga pass mbiya mono and may God bless you. Thank you very much.
Mbia mona sana karibu nainde afosa mangana yoko nyako cha kosanga ebirengere naboigo obumanyi ntochie ko bwatera na kigima nande nako aligani asenchira ire ya vene kigima mwancho murigereria oyo nigo amanyikana tuno mwashimi wa Charles Mugaka korwa chinse mochire cha Bonchari county ne ya Kisii nekirato agendere fosito abere to kurigeria mangana yabasai naboigo nchira ki branyale gutumika technology gose ayori ora senka ekiranyara gutumika technology elio gwikirania amanganao akera rituko njengoroko Matilda Obaiba na wigo Wilfred Matundra kro ase studio ya Kabere twara oburigirio bya gwikachinga kichinde hase bono nyasaye oyo
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Escuria